Welcome to Germany, the heart of Europe. A vibrant and lovely European country known for its rich culture, world-class education, and advanced economy. With a population of over 83 million people, Germany has the largest economy in Europe and the fourth largest in the world. It is well known for its precision engineering, cutting-edge technology, and high-quality products. Germany is well known throughout the world for its significant cultural achievements, which include classical music, literature, and philosophy. Johann Sebastian Bach, Ludwig van Beethoven, and Albert Einstein were all born there. The country is also well known for its wonderful gastronomy, with dishes such as sausages, sauerkraut, and schnitzel achieving worldwide appeal. Millions of tourists visit this wonderful country each year. Germany has approximately 83 million inhabitants and is known for its advanced economy, world-class education system, and diversified cultural history. It boasts the largest economy in Europe and the fourth largest in the world. Germany was one of the founding members of both the European Union and the United Nations. Germany is a federal parliamentary republic, with the president as the head of state and the chancellor as the head of government. The country has a rich political history that includes the devastation of World War II and the subsequent division of the country into East and West Germany. Germany, on the other hand, has since reunified and matured into a stable democracy known for its solid social welfare system and commitment to environmental sustainability. Let's talk today about the beautiful places of Germany. Berlin, the capital city of Germany. A vibrant and bustling metropolis that will have you feeling alive in no time. From the iconic Brandenburg Gate to the remnants of the Berlin Wall, there's a wealth of history and culture to explore. Not to mention the incredible museums, mouth-watering food markets, and buzzing nightlife. Munich, a city known for its beautiful architecture, delicious cuisine, and lively beer halls. If you're there in the fall, you simply can't miss out on the famous Oktoberfest. Other must-see attractions include the picturesque Englischer Garten, the regal Nymphenburg Palace, and a whole host of museums and galleries. Hamburg. For those who prefer something a little off the beaten path, Hamburg is a fantastic option. This lively port city is brimming with energy and is home to a historic warehouse district that's simply begging to be explored. Take a stroll through the stunning Stadtpark or hop on a boat tour to see the city from a different perspective. And of course, no trip to Hamburg would be complete without sampling some of the delicious local seafood. Heidelberg. If you're after a more relaxed vibe, consider visiting Heidelberg, a charming town that's famous for its stunning castle and picturesque old town. Take a leisurely stroll along the River Neckar, explore the impressive Heidelberg Castle, and soak up the town's unique blend of history and modernity. Cologne. Another stunning city that's sure to capture your heart is Cologne. From its famous cathedral to its picturesque old town, Cologne is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Germany. Take a stroll along the Rhine River, explore the city's many museums and galleries, and indulge in the local cuisine. Romantic Road. For those who love a good road trip, the Romantic Road is an absolute must-see. This scenic route takes you through some of the most beautiful towns and landscapes in Germany, including the charming Rothenburg ob der Tauber and the stunning Neuschwanstein Castle. Moselle Valley. This beautiful is a lovely wine-growing region with quaint villages, scenic vineyards, and breathtaking river vistas. Take a riverboat trip, visit the town's museums and galleries, and sample the great local wine. The Bavarian Alps. A breathtaking mountain range with hiking paths, ski resorts, and breathtaking landscapes. Don't miss the spectacular Zugspitze, Germany's tallest summit. Germany is a country full of surprises and hidden treasures. Germany has something for everyone, whether you're interested in history, culture, or simply want to enjoy the gorgeous surroundings. So gather your belongings and prepare for an incredible experience. Germany is an excellent destination for those interested in history, culture, or simply unwinding. Germany is a country full of surprises and hidden treasures. Whether you're a history buff, a culture vulture, or just looking for a place to relax and unwind, Germany is the perfect destination. So pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. you for watching this video. If you like this videos, then like it and subscribe this channel for your next dream travel destination videos. And don't forget to press the bell button.